So this is stage 3 healing session. So you have very well understood stage 1 healing session points, and also you have experienced stage 2 healing session with smile meditation. And now this is stage 3. If you have not gone through previous stages, I recommend that you hear those previous 2 stages. So before you started your smile meditation, we had given you mudra. Yes? So here I recommend that when you start your smile meditation, before smile meditation, for 5 minutes, you should perform mudra with closed eyes in relaxed posture, relaxed body posture, relaxed hand posture. You should perform hand mudra with closed eyes. If your mudra is correct, then calmness will evolve within 5 minutes. Even though there are suffering thoughts, no problem. You will feel, you will have the sense of calmness behind many thoughts. Even if you have body pain, you will have some sense of relaxation. And that will confirm that your mudra is correct. In case you don't feel this, then you should change your hand direction and try to sense again. And also, if you need another help, maybe couldn't feel this calmness, then we have to explore more and should give another mudra. You should have readiness to experience this calmness. Yes? The moment you touch correct mudra, correct joint, correct fingertip, this calmness little bit will evolve. So, before mudra, you have to give marks to your body level, to your mind level. For example, before mudra, you had suffering thoughts or you had some discomfort on the level of body. Check your head, check your neck, check your chest, abdomen, arms, legs. Any level, if you feel relaxation after doing mudra, it means this mudra is correct. If you feel relaxation after mudra, it means mudra is good, very good. Yes, and your marks will decrease. For example, if you had, some suffering thought, maybe you can give 8 marks, 9 marks, 7 marks. But after doing mudra, when this suffering thought is reducing, this relaxation is increasing, then you can give 1 mark or 0 mark. Yes? So, if you don't have sadness and also you don't have happiness, you are still, this is calmness state also. Yes, this is how you have to understand your mudra. And then you should go to smile meditation. After smile meditation, again you have to check your marks, how much is reduced. Initially, body disease, it can go, you can see miracle also. You can experience wonder and miracles after mudra and meditation, or you will feel calmness. In any direction, from any direction, if you're feeling calmness, peace and smile, it can be mind first, it can be relaxation first, or it can be peace first. This is indication that your meditation is going correct direction. So this is how you are focusing, you're observing yourself. Yes, and then you should stay connected with your healer. Yes, you should tell him how you are doing your mudra every day, how you are doing meditation and how it is helping. What is the feedback after smile meditation? Initially, before you started this smile meditation journey, your stress level was high, or maybe your some body discomfort was high, and now after this, every day after every session, it is decreasing. You have to maintain this journey until you reach perfection. This is very, very important. And then 3 times you have to do every day, but 2 times you can just do few minutes without meditation, and 1 time you should do with this smile meditation. You can hear that stage 2 audio, or you can hear, any other audio, whichever you have, which can help you to take towards inner calmness. You can choose your music, you can choose your guided meditation. Doesn't make any difference, but purpose is that you should touch the calmness. You can go to nature. Yes, so every day you are expanding and exploring more and more. Your soul will guide you that this tool is good. Finally, all these are tools, and you have to drop these tools one by one. But even if you couldn't drop, don't worry. If these tools are pushing you, taking you towards inner calmness, then you can continue with your tools, no problem. Yes? So every day you should make sure. So one day, 3 times mudra and 1 mudra with smile meditation. Yes, so this smile meditation you can do in any time, morning, evening, night, whenever you feel comfortable, but make sure that you do it. This is a starting moment, and it needs many practices so that it becomes part of your life. You have to make habit, and to make habit, you have to practice every day. Don't leave this. You have your breakfast, lunch, dinner. You have habit. So many activities you are doing in your daily routine. You have time, you have habit. And for this wonderful, great, divine journey, you don't have time. Then this is our big loss. Big loss. We don't have any option except this. Only this will help us and will liberate us from all suffering. Finally, one day time will come and we will leave this body. And then we will repent. Why I didn't use this time? Why I didn't have time? Please make sure. Do this smile meditation once in a day, and mudra, simple mudra, anytime, 5 minutes. Under the table, while watching TV, you can do this, but with the awareness that why you are doing this mudra. Yes, you understand? So 3 times, 2 times simple mudra, and 1 time with meditation, with healing stage. Number 2 audio like this. And also grab all the opportunities which is pushing you towards peace and smile. If you get chance to go to nature, please go. If you happen to hear good music, or if you happen to go to attend some good smiling events, just attend. Because you are with a mission. Yes, once calmness is open, many beauties will come. You have to be aware. Universe will support you, will increase more and more bliss inside you. Many sufferings will come and go. Don't stop your journey. Don't stop at all. Because this universal drama, these many ups and downs are very natural in everyone's life. You have to cross this, and you have to find time to touch this calmness. And once you succeed, then you will have wisdom. You will find solutions. You will have your inner guidance. You will have prosperity. You will have good health. Many things will come in your life. Only this is the solution. Only. Stay connected with your healer, and you can take guidance from time to time. And also, when you are in this progressive journey, we can give you good mantra along with this mudra. First start this journey, and then in your next phase, yes, we can add mantras also. Another thing is that you should use mudra like SOS. Of course, yes, 3 times you have to do for sure, but anytime if you have suffering sense coming from any direction of your life, it is coming from your body level, or it is coming from your life situations, personal life, family life, social life, do that selected mudra immediately, like life-saving point. Don't allow these suffering particles to increase. The moment you do mudra, suffering particles will decrease. Even if you don't have time to do smile meditation, no, don't worry. But in that moment, just do mudra. Whether you are in the market or in the office or anywhere, just do it. It is like SOS, life-saving, your companion, your friend. Yes, correct mudra will save you. And suffering particles will not expand. Very soon it will finish. Yes, so don't leave this journey, and do it every day. And if you have any medical issue, physical issue, after 1 month you can go for medical checkups. If you are determined, if you are doing correctly, definitely you will get good reports, and doctor will be astonished. Even it is so difficult disease, don't worry, just continue. Maintain your daily chart. Be dedicated. How much your calmness is increasing, how much calm you have come, how much peaceful you are now. When you are reacting or acting in your daily routine life, how is your reflection of your calmness? Every day before sleeping, maintain your chart. Be determined that